Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host. You're watching Technoblend, and today we are going to talk about Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra. Yes, Xiaomi has launched its Mi 11 Ultra in premium market segment of smartphones, competing Samsung S series, Note series, Apple and OnePlus like smartphones. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about this smartphone and what is special about this smartphone. Please stay tuned. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's start with the video and talk about the display part of this smartphone. So talking about the display part, there is something unique feature they have provided you with this smartphone. I will tell you at the last of the display part. Moving ahead in Mi 11 Ultra, you will get 6.81 inch of quad AMOLED dot display. And this display is gonna support HDR10 plus with 1.07 billion colors. So every detail color you can see in this smartphones. Along with this all, you will get 120 Hz of refresh rate and 480 Hz of touch sampling rate. Right, so you can play games like PUBG, COD and Free Fire very easily. And it also comes with adaptive syncs to sync your required hertz to 120, 30 Hz, 60 Hz, 90 Hz according to the need of the display. Along with this all, it also support sunlight and reading mode 3.0. The brightness of this display can go up to peak up to 1700 nits. Along with this all, you will get the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. And the surprise part is at the back panel of the Mi 11 Ultra, with the quad camera setup, you will get a small display. Just have a look what you can get and what you can do with this back disc. Isn't it amazing? You can also put your clock on that. You can also use it for the camera purpose. It is quite unique and it is the largest quad camera setup ever in this smartphone provided by the Xiaomi. So moving ahead, let's move ahead and talk about the performance part of this smartphone, because it is the very important part for any premium market segment smartphone. So talking about the performance factor of Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra, in this smartphone you will get 5nm of Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. Which is the best processor available in the market by Snapdragon. Along with this all, it is gonna support 6th generation of AI engine, and you will also get Snapdragon X60 5G modem support. So this smartphone is got everything what you need. The smartphone is gonna run smoothly for PUBG, COD gamers. The life is super easy with this smartphones. So let's move ahead and talk about the camera part. So talking about the camera part of Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra, it got the largest camera setup you can see in any smartphone right now. It also comes with a biggest bump of the quad camera setup, so you can use it as a smartphone holder at the edge of the table.
What?
Just kidding, don't try this at home. It comes with a 50 megapixel of wide angle camera with 48 megapixel of ultra wide angle camera and 48 megapixel of telephoto camera, which can zoom up to 120x. And along with this all, the rear camera features are, you get a night mode 2.0 with ultra night photos, and you will also get a feature of action capture for the moving pictures. Talking about the selfie camera, you will get an in-display selfie camera which is 20 megapixel, and it supports video quality up to 1080 pixels. So this is all about the camera part. Isn't it amazing what you need in any smartphone like this? So moving ahead, let's move ahead and talk about the battery part. So talking about the battery part, the most important part for any smartphone of this capacity, the Mi 11 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh of battery, which is gonna support, which is gonna last basically up to 2 days, I think, if you don't use it for any heavy usage. And if you use it for any heavy usage, it can last up to more than 1 day, one and a half day it can easily last. Along with this all, it comes with MTW technology for fast charging. You will get an 67 volt of wired turboless charging support and 67 volt of wireless turbo charging support. Let's move ahead and talk about some additional features about this smartphone. So talking about some additional features about Mi 11 Ultra, in this smartphone you will get high resolution audio support by Harman and Kardon. Along with this all, if you play any video on this smartphone, it will get run on HDR10 plus with Dolby Vision. As well, it also get all the sensors like accelerometer, proximity sensor. Along with this all, this smartphone runs on Android 11 Bliss, MIUI 12, and it also support NFC. Along with this all, this smartphone is IP68 water, splash and dust resistance. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about inbox content about this smartphone. So talking about the inbox content, you will get with Mi 11 Ultra, you will get Mi 11 Ultra along with 67 volt of adapter, protective case, Type-C cable, Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter, SIM eject tool, user guide and a warranty card. This is all about Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra. What do you think about this smartphone? Is it gonna compete with bigger brands like Samsung's S series, Note series, Apple, OnePlus in the premium market segment? Are you going for this smartphone or not? Or rather you will prefer to go for Samsung, Apple or bigger brands? What do you think? Please let me know in the comment box. If you're new to this channel or haven't yet subscribed to my channel, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Technoblend. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Till then, tata, bye bye.